Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video, and let's open this resolution and go to uploads images, and after uploading your image drag it to the timeline, increase the size to fit the page, go to elements and scroll down to frames, click see all and type black circle, and let's use this one. Increase the size and place it in the middle. Click on this image and click duplicate and drag it inside the frame. Double click inside the frame and make sure you place the image on the first one. Click done and duplicate this page. Go to the first one, click on the image, increase the size, click on the frame and increase the size of the frame as well, and rotate it and add transition, match and move, and increase the duration. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.